like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper plane. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in triangle. And now fold it in rectangle from both the sides. Now do it like this way. Now from opening side we have to fold it like this way. Now open one side and fold it inside. Now open it like this way, and now fold it like this way, and now from here put your finger and do it like this way. And fold it. Now take a scissor and from here cut it. Fold it in half. And fold it like this way. And from here cut it little bit like this way. Now fold this side upwards. Like this way. And the plane is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.